everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then hi, welcome. My name's Amber and this is About That Mama Life. So today we're going to be talking about these super cute coffee themed nails I got with the reverse stamping method. I'll insert a close-up right here. So these are super cute, and I got this look using the reverse stamping method. It is very beginner friendly and it's pretty simple. So let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so here is the giveaway. You're going to be entering to win 5 Born Pretty stamping polishes and a whole bunch of water decals. Check out the description box below to find out how to enter my giveaway. So here is this super cute stamping plate. It's called Corner Cafe. Ever since I saw this on Marla Chris's channel, I had to have it. And look at how cute it is. It's a bunch of coffee and coffee beans and tea. I've got a couple of my Maniology stampers. Just picked up this sticky base that I'm going to be trying out today. I'm watching TV on my phone there, so excuse me. Got a little acetone, some dotting tools, and this cute little rock that I have for painting. And then I'm going to be using a bunch of different types of stamping polishes. Maniology, Queen, which is from Walmart, and then Born Pretty from Amazon. I'm also going to be using my handy lint roller. If you haven't used these with stamping yet, you have to. So I have an array of different polishes on my fingers here. Some Sparkle & Co. and some Nails Be Dippin' and Dahlia Customs. I'm going to be picking up this coffee bean stamp, and I'm going to just go ahead and do the outline in black, and then we're going to do some reverse stamping, which is really just painting, and it's fun. So you want to put down enough polish there so that when you swipe it, it will pick it up and cover the entire decal, I guess you could say. In this process, you want to move pretty quickly. Swipe and then pick it right up. You don't have to press too hard, and I like the rolling motion. Then I just take my handy lint roller and clean up anything that I don't want on my stamper. You could also use some tape. Just regular old clear tape would work just fine. There you are. I'm going to flip it around and show you how cute that design is. This one ended up being my fave. It's so cute. I love the little coffee beans. I'm just going to set that over to the side to dry. And I've got my cotton ball and my tweezers so I don't get any acetone on my beautiful nails. I have done this and it is awful. I'm going to pick up this little coffee cup next. Same thing, paint, swipe, pick it up, and then if you were stamping instead of reverse stamping, you want to clean it up quick and stamp it right on your nails. This is a really kind of quick process here before that paint dries. But in this case, we're going to do reverse stamping, so we are going to let it dry a second. Now we're going to fill it in, and I'm going to show you guys a little trick. So I didn't have any like brown color, so to speak. I had this rusty reddish brown, and I mixed a little green into it to get a coffee brown color. So use what you have, get creative, mix polishes. There are no rules here. People use acrylic paints. For me, I like the consistency of the polish. It's a little runny, and I feel it kind of helps me. Acrylic paint might be a little too thick for my comfort level. So I'm just going to mix this in, and you can see it's turning to a nice shade of brown. Voila! Get creative, get crafty. And I'm just going to use my dotting tool and slightly dot the paint onto the design. Keep in mind this surface that you're looking at right here is going to be the bottom when we put it on the nail. So you can get a little bit messy here. You don't have to stay exactly in the lines. Like in the coffee bean, there's a black line in the middle. I just ended up going right over top of that. You don't see it once it actually gets put on your nail. So just dot into the polish and then dot right on top of the design. Try to stay in the lines as much as possible, but like I said, you can get a little messy with it, and just look at how cute that came out. Perfect. All right. So we're going to do our coffee cup next, and I went ahead and decided to just do the whole thing pink. So I'm just taking and dotting in to the paint and then covering the cup, just like we did on the coffee beans. So this is my third time reverse stamping, so I am pretty new at this as well. That's why I say this is beginner friendly. From the first time that I started doing reverse stamping, I was amazed at how good I was, so quickly. It's actually pretty easy. So try it out if you haven't yet. I had a lot of fun with this, and the more I do it, the better I get. My details look nicer. So I'm going to go in with this sticky base, and I let it dry way too long, and you'll see what happens here. This is my first time using sticky base, and I didn't really know what I was doing. And so some of the coffee beans did not stick down because it had dried too long. I put in at the end of this stamping clip, I guess you could say, a little segment of my other hand once I had really gotten the hang of it, just to show you guys the difference. But what I did was just go in with a little bit more sticky base and then just replace some of those coffee beans. So it totally worked out just fine. It was no biggie. See, there we go. Filled in the gaps and it looks perfect. I love how cute that came out. All right, on to the next. We're going to paint down that sticky base. And really, it only took like 3 little breaths, I guess you could say. I would kind of like blow on my nail until it would dry. See, it goes from glossy to not as glossy. That's how I knew it was kind of dry. Still getting the hang of using that sticky base. This was my first time playing with it, but it did make stamping down quite a bit easier. If you don't have sticky base and you have just regular gel polish base, you could use that. You could even use your dip base and let it dry a little bit. Anything that's going to dry a little sticky. And then I just picked up the little coffee heart design, and I'm going to stamp that right over the cup while it's still wet, so it'll transfer over. Perfect. So cute. I love that one. I love them all. They're all my little nail baby creations. So the other design I picked was a full nail design of all the little coffee cups. This one was really, really cute too when I painted it. Wait till you see. Okay, so we picked up the design. We're just cleaning up the stamper a little bit. And wait till you see. It's so cute, since I love coffee and all the different coffee cups. So I'm going in with a little pink and just kind of doing some accent colors here and there. And then I just really went colorful with this one. I have a little green, a little white, some more brown, some gold, and it came out super cute. So I won't make you watch my entire process. I did want to leave some of it in just so you could get an idea of reverse stamping, but not so long that I bored you to death. Excuse me, I'm feeling a little stuffy today. These little coffee beans are so cute. I painted them brown to match the coffee beans on my other nail. I just love how everything tied in together. The coffee cup on one nail, all the coffee cups here, the coffee beans. It came out just super, super cute. And then here we go. This is my finished product. You can see my pink is really starting to dry up and kind of gum up on me. And I probably should have put some more down, but I was being lazy and it worked out. So thankfully it didn't look bad. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of gold on this coffee cup in the corner, and I'll show you what the completed design looks like. So cute, right? These little coffee cups. Alright, so I've got my sticky base down. I'll let it dry just enough. And the trick with this is you want to move quickly. I as I was learning, I took too much time in between. Just tap it. I could feel it was sticky but not wet. And then this one laid down much, much nicer. I was starting to get the hang of it by now. Perfect. There we go. And then you just kind of tap the stamps down, and anything that's hanging over, you can use some tweezers or a cuticle tool or even your fingernail to just kind of cut it and peel it off. And then I did the But First Coffee logo with a gold background for my pinky nail. So cute. But first, coffee. Oh yeah, I'm definitely a coffee girl. I am excited for fall and all the pumpkin spice. Comment below and tell me, are you pumpkin spice? Or are you not pumpkin spice? Where do you lie? I need to know where your allegiances lie. So here's the other hand, and I wanted to put this clip in because I had really got the process down by now. And I feel like this nail came out so perfect. You could really see the detail on the coffee beans. Just everything came out super cute. And there we are. So now I'm going to top it with my gel top coat. And by the time I've done one hand and finished the other, it's dried long enough. I don't need to sit and wait for anything. So I'm just putting the gel top coat on all of my nails and a little nail magic here. Voila! Here we are, glossy and beautiful. Gel top coat is the easiest for me because it doesn't smear. And here's the finished product.
So what did you guys think? Very cute, right? I get most of my stamping plates and stamping accessories, polishes, those types of things at Maniology. Personally, I just think that they're the best quality. If you want to pick up this plate or any of their other products, I do have a discount code. MamaLife10 will save you 10% off. I'll link my other discount codes and everything in the description box and a link to this exact plate. This is part of the Manny and Me box, which is a subscription box that you get. There's a couple different tiers. The one that I do is $25 a month. So you do have to be a Manny and Me subscriber, but you can purchase past plates like the Corner Cafe, the Pet Cemetery plate, lots of really cute stuff. So that's an option as well. Or they have a ton of cute plates that you can buy without being a subscriber. So if you guys do recreate this look, I would love it if you tag me in your photos at About That Mama Life, and I will also link my social medias down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you enter the giveaway, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.